What's up guys, I'm here at Fremont Skatepark. This is my first time here ever, and I don't really have a plan for today's video other than that I just want to enjoy the skate park, have some fun, get some skate clips and things like that. So this park is definitely a lot nicer than some of the parks that I have back in my hometown. So I'm excited to get into it, and let's do it. Ledges, you got banks, even got this like mini hip right here in the middle. This thing is sick. The street section. Oh, this place looks sick. The big boy stuff. How many stairs is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stair, but the ledges are super mellow. Like, I totally feel like I could hit that, but I'm kind of scared. Like, they're super mellow. Like, it's just up to my knee. Like, I could totally pop onto that. And then you got a little down 5 stair. Again, super mellow ledges, mellow rail, nice hip. So sick. Park is sick. I've never actually tried one of these, but supposedly it's supposed to hydrate you faster. Kind of has like, let me see, has like electrolytes and potassium and things like that. So maybe this is better than like regular Gatorade, but we'll see. I could skate this, but no, I suck. And it's also kind of wet. Kind of sketchy if it's wet. Two, one. Nice. Okay. Yes, sir. So sketchy. Let's go, let's go. Oh, wow. Shoo. You count it. Shoo! Shoo! There we go, there we go. Simple. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
There you go. I'll count that one.
Yeah. Shoo! Oh, switch front shove.
Actually, yep. That's it though. You got it.
Oh, that was so cool. You make it look easy, bro. You made it look easy. Sheesh.